Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. Hey, I just had a fun, quick tip video for you today. So it's kind of a joke that we have, but it's something that we do need to discuss. So 3 things that are certain in life. So one, if you live in the United States, first one is taxes, right? Second one is we're all gonna die. And here's the third one that's flooring related. All flooring scratches. So the reason I bring this up is we'll have people that have been to other stores before and they'll say, I want the flooring that will not scratch. And unfortunately, doesn't matter if it's tile, doesn't matter if it's luxury vinyl, laminate, hardwood, it all scratches. It's just part of the nature of things. And so one thing that we tell people is that if by chance a floor did not scratch, then you wouldn't be able to cut it. And if you wouldn't be able to cut it, then you wouldn't be able to install it. Now that being said, there are certain floors that are more scratch resistant than other floors. And we sell lots of those floors. But as far as getting a scratch proof floor, they don't exist. So, anyway, hopefully you found a little bit of, humor in this, but on the same token, everything will scratch. So it's important to put felt pads and things of that nature under your floor. Even tile can scratch if you have something that's sharp enough or hard enough, like a rock in your shoe. And so it's just important with all types of flooring, especially with hardwood, to be careful not to scratch it. So anyway, yes, so I'm trying to debunk the myth that there is a scratch-proof floor. But anyway, hope you're having a wonderful day. We'd love to sell you a lot of scratch-resistant flooring. But anyway, hope you're doing good. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please shoot it down below and I'll try my best to answer those for you. Thanks.